Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we got to get this together and I got to get working on the snowcat. So that's what we're doing today. So we got the thrust washer in there, the seals in there, plenty of grease. Now we got to get the spindle cone bearing in. Go. Plenty of grease in that. Okay. Now, they only go on here one way. Like that. Then brake anchor and the dust shield. There we go. Thrust washer and the seals. Almost. There we go. Grease that up real good. Oh, we better straighten that out a little bit. Okay, you want to grab the nuts?
Okay. Is that on?
Yeah. Well, it's the next day, and we got to move this stuff out of the way. We got to get the wrecker over here because we need room for our Christmas tree. And then we got to take Abby to work, go get our Christmas tree, come back, and work in the shop. I know we're gonna have to get a winch plate for that. I think I know where I can get one. Well, there's a winch plate right there. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm glad that came out. Well, once you know it, the last two. All right. There we go. Oh, we got a winch plate. There, now we can take Abby to work and get our Christmas tree, and then we can come back and work on the snowcat. All right, well, we gotta take Miss Abby to work now. You know, Abby, they're gonna ask you where you work.
At a horse arena.
At a horse arena?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. She works for Cousin Bridget at Murphy Meadows. All right, we're at the tree place. We're gonna go pick a tree. She's looking at a tree.
Gotta get out and inspect it. Or inspect, yeah.
No, that's all right. I'll trim it. That's a big tree.
They don't really come out too well with this wetness.
Yeah.
Alright. Good? I'm good.
Yep.
They just kind of fall out and stick to it.
Yeah.
Coming down. Alright, yep. Let it go.
Oh, yeah. You need help?
You need a winch. I know that. So you gotta help him winch.
Somebody needs to hold that. All right, well, that's a big tree. Are you happy with your big tree?
We will see when she fully opens up.
Okay.
But I gotta give her some water.
Okay, now back to this. Yeah, we gotta figure out how to mount that to the front. Yeah, that ought to work. Okay. You gonna get into the box there?
I'm gonna attempt.
Okay. You want pliers?
No,
You sure?
got this.
Okay. Wow. All kinds of goodies here.
Don't forget the stickers.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Got all kinds of stuff in this kit. And a wired or wireless remote. Wow, okay. And a flare head, cables, and all the hardware. Look at that, we even got a battery cutout switch. Get a load of this hook. Not bad. Oh. Well, I don't know if that's gonna work, because this is 27.5 inches, and this is 31 inches. But I do have another winch plate. Let's go check that one out. So, let's check this one out. This happens to be 27.5. But it's got the right bolt holes for putting the winch on. All right, well, we're gonna have to think about this a little bit, because there's some old members in my club that kind of want everything bolted rather than welded. For recovery points anyway. Something about not trusting people's welds. Well, I think we got it figured out. Check back with us next time, see if we got it. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.